Today, we witness the birth of a million-dollar machine. Our journey begins in the heart of Canada.
A legacy of engineering dating back nearly a century. It starts with the finest stainless steel.
Precision cutting to the millimeter.
Bending strength into every curve.
Handling components with robotic precision. Organizing the anatomy of the coach.
Material built to last a lifetime. Strict quality control on every piece. Creating the skeleton piece by piece.
Transporting the shell to the line.
From flat metal to structural art.
Forging the ribs of the beast.
Automated logistics in action.
Ready for the marriage of parts. Ensuring safety and finish.
Entering the body shop.
Laying the foundation of the coach. Tacking the core structure. Raising the walls of the giant. Human expertise guiding the machine.
Fusing steel with liquid fire.
Capping the structure.
The monocoque skeleton revealed. Sealing the roof from the elements.
A view of the raw cavern. Reinforcing for passenger safety.
Framing the view ahead.
Preparing the powerhouse bay. The dance of the arc welder. The steel body is complete.
Smoothing every joint.
Scouring the surface for paint.
A symphony of construction.
Prepping the brand identity. Entering the paint shop. The chemical bath begins.
Phosphating for adhesion.
Rising from the wash. Coated in protective primer. Sealing the hidden joints. Deadening the road noise.
Hand sanding for perfection.
Preparing for the color splash.
Applying the base color. Atomized perfection.
Revealing the dual-tone design. Adding the luxury accent.
A wet, glossy finish.
Final clear coat layer. Mirror finish achieved.
The critical eye for detail.
Entering the clean room. Laying the nervous system. Connecting the electronics. Installing the command center. Insulating for comfort. Setting the giant windshield. Sealing the glass in place. Framing the view. Upholstering the ceiling. Installing interior modules. Securing the pilot's seat. Routing the air systems. Routing the air systems. Laying the foundation floor.
Lighting up the interior.
The driver's perspective.
Fitting the cargo bays. Applying the final badges. Ready for the power plant. The rolling chassis awaits. Delivering the heart of the beast. Lowering the power plant. Securing the engine mounts. mating engine to transmission. Connecting the drivetrain.
Mounting the fuel cells.
Installing the cooling system. Routing the brake systems.
The moment of marriage.
Aligning the body and frame.
Bolting it all together. Waking up the electronics.
Mounting the rear wheels. Steering wheels attached. Standing on her own wheels. Filling fluids for life. Powering up the system. Finalizing the controls. Rolling toward validation.
Entering the monsoon test.
Blasting with high pressure.
Scanning for leaks. Watertight confirmed.
Loading onto the dyno.
Testing full power output. Analyzing performance data.
Simulating highway speeds.
Testing the braking system.
Measuring panel gaps.
Precision laser alignment.
Lighting systems check.
Wiper systems activation.
Joining the fleet. Final interior detail.
Prepping for transport. A sea of luxury coaches. Hitting the open road. A masterpiece in motion. Unmatched ride comfort.
Stability on the curves.
Passing power in reserve. sight to behold.
Art of Prevost. The mark of quality.
The journey continues.
The dark night.
The white pearl.
Ocean breeze.
Safe travels.
A new day begins.
It ends here.
The journey never ends.